Alright guys, so we're just gonna wash our pig's tail real quick. Add a little bit of water, some vinegar. Give it a nice little rinse. Just like that. Alright, so now we're just gonna chop it up nice and proper and then add our seasoning. Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna chop up the pig's tail, add some seasoning to it, and then we're gonna saute it up a little bit. Cook it down for about an hour or so until it's tender. Nice and juicy, you know? Yeah man, so just watch how me chop it up and apply the seasoning. Probably have to chop through it right now. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife, you know? Bone tough. So now I'm just gonna add some paprika, some smoked paprika. About a tablespoon. Some white pepper powder. Not much, because this is spicy. I don't want to over spice it, you know? We're gonna add some easy spice Jamaican meat seasoning. See it there? Yeah man. Just a little bit, not too much. Give it about a teaspoon, yeah? Yeah man. Add some black pepper to it. Some grace. Caribbean, you know? Caribbean thing, you know? Jamaican thing, yeah. Complete seasoning. Add about a tablespoon, same way. And now we're gonna add some pilau masala. See there? Yeah. This right here is a nice little seasoning if you want to add it to your rice and something there. You know, you have cumin in there, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, you know. Now we're gonna add just a little touch of browning. Not much, about a teaspoon. Because we're not try overdo it. Just a little bit of color more and give it, you know. Now, just go ahead and rub it up. Just like that, nice and proper. Alright, and we're going to set this aside for a few minutes while we start to cut, you know, the fresh seasoning like your thyme, scallion, tomato, and some other ingredients, alright? Okay guys, so now we're going to cut up our fresh ingredients then. So you just want to chop up some onion. I'm not going to use a lot because it's not a lot of pig's tail meat. It's just a pound and a half. Small portion. So we're not going to need that much ingredients, you know. We have the scallion, right, that's all. Beat it a little bit, you know, and this is going to extract some of that flavor, you know, inside the dish. We have some rosemary. Cut it up. Some thyme. Alright. And we have 1 tomato. Tomato already washed. The veggies them already washed. You see me? Give it some rough chops, you know? Nothing fancy. And we're gonna add this right back into this mixture right here and give it a nice little rub again. And then we're gonna drop it right in the pot with some oil and cook it down. Yeah, man. Alright, so like I said, you just want to mix it up again. Yeah, man. Coming closer so them can see it. Yeah. Pigtail well seasoned, you know, seasoned to the bone. Yeah, man. And like I said, guys, you want to cook this until it's falling apart. You know, juicy, nice and tender. Yeah. Alright, so if you have time, you can always marinate this overnight for 24 hours, you know, or for best results. You know, if you don't have the time, just go ahead and continue watching the video same way and drop it in the pot. Now you want to add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. Yep, not too much. And my stove is on high heat right now, so it's gonna be piping hot. You want to add all these lovely ingredients at once. Add everything together. And then you just want to stir it up. Just keep stirring until, you know, the color starts to change and everything becomes caramelized. Then we're going to add some hot water. You know, about 6 cups of hot water we're going to add and cook it for about an hour on high heat. And we're gradually going to keep adding water, you know, as the water reduces. All right. Smelling so good already. Smelling good. Alright, so now we're going to close the lid and let it produce its own juice and then add some water afterwards. Alright, so you want to add your water. Yeah, man. And like I said, guys, we're just going to cook this for about an hour. And as the water starts to reduce, we're going to, you know, add some more water back to this mixture right here. Yeah, so just go and watch the video. As you can see, guys, the food is looking nice and proper right now. You see it? Nice, lovely. Most of the liquid already dry out already. So I'm going to add some more water. Alright? I'm going to add some more water, about 4 more cups of water in it. And then we're going to add some chicken stock. You know, this is gonna add a little bit of saltiness to the recipe, because if I keep adding water before the pot cook, you know, so it go kind of fresh. So I just want to keep the flavor alive, you know. Yeah, man. And we're just gonna close this back down and cook it until it's falling apart. Yeah, man. So at this point, you want to add some garlic. I'm using 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Then you want to add about a cup, or yeah, about a cup of shredded carrots. You know, mix it up a little bit and make sure everything is nice and proper. Then I'm gonna add some sugar, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You know, add some sweetness to it. Yes, guys. So the food ready. Looking good, smelling good. Look at that sauce. Nice and soft, you know, guys. Well tender. just melt off in your mouth right there. So watch out. Whoa. Can't wait to try it. Oh God. I'll look like the gravy pan here, you know? Yes, sir. Alright, we're just gonna sprinkle a little parsley on top. Yeah. Alright, so time for that taste test, guys. Wow. Woo. It's hot. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my God. Guys, so good. Fall off the bone, right off.